Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daniel Henshaw Jaffet, and I am a data scientist. I am a data analyst and also a data annotator. In fact, everything about data, that's me. And also to add to this, I'm a certified teacher, which is why I'll be making a whole lot of persons a data analyst. Having said that, I'll be running a course online. I'll be doing some videos where I'll be teaching you how to become a data analyst. Not just that, practical steps and also with projects where you'll be working and doing the real life projects. So I am going to be sharing some videos from now henceforth. So please check out my channel and make sure you follow every step I'll be guiding you through. In this course, we'll be touching Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python. So please, you don't want to miss this. And let me surprise you, it's all for free. I'm not charging one bit from it. I think this is my way of giving back to the world. So please make sure you follow through, like, comment, share, so others can get this too. It's gonna be an amazing time, I promise you. Yes, yeah, the requirement is just your laptop and of course your attention. So it's gonna be a beautiful time with you guys. I hope to see you in class. Take your time, drink water, and mind your business. See you in class.